Yes, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make money trading crypto. That's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Tide, all of the coins and all the altcoins on Luno.com. This is my crypto series. My name is Joshua Mba. Sit tight. By the end of this video, you can confidently put in your money on any trading platform like Luno.com and trade crypto and cash out massively. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, welcome back. My name is Joshua, of course, you already know. So I'm going to walk you through Luno platform, how to trade on Luno. This platform is available for most countries now. Initially it was for African countries, but now it's in other countries. People from the European Western world can as well access this platform. The amazing thing is that the last time I did a video about Luno, that was on August 2020, Bitcoin, as you can see on my screen, was just 5 million naira. I'm currently recording this video from Nigeria, so it's going to pick it up in naira, right? So can you imagine that? But right now it's 11 million naira. Currently, as of today, there's 24k thousand dollars, 24k 800 and something $1,000, one BTC. This is over about 50% increase, over 50% increase technically. And that's so amazing, right? Super amazing. So I want to give you a couple of reasons why you need to take up trading Luno, because the goal is to stay financially free. And if you want something that will make a lot of money for you come 2021, you really have to pay attention to what I'll be teaching you today here on Luno. And the amazing thing is that after now, I'm going to do another video on how to trade on Binance, right? An amazing platform. I trade on Binance, I trade on Luno. This is an awesome platform. I'm also going to show you how to trade on Binance. So make sure you click on the subscribe button down this video. Like this video, of course, because it's going to blow your mind. And click on the notification bell so that once I drop that video, you get notified. Is that all right? So we'll be doing more of crypto, and the goal is to see you make money while trading and investing in crypto. So let's get on very quickly. Luno is a very easy to use platform, and the same way you were able to register on Facebook, Twitter, that's the same way you're expected to register on Luno. And Luno is one of the awesome trading platforms. Currently, you can trade basic cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ripple, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash, right? So these are the coins currently available, 5 of them on Luno.com, and these are top coins. Amazingly, they are top coins. So I'm going to show you how to use it to trade crypto. So you're going to stick with me till the end of this video. I'm going to take you step by step, right? So just in case, just for information's sake, Luno has a mobile application that gives you the opportunity to also trade from your mobile application, right? So if you understand how it works on PC, you can as well use it on your mobile phone. As simple as that, right? It's literally the same interface, just the change in layout, right? So the first thing you want to do is you have to click on the link below this video, and then it will take you straight to Luno.com. There's a registration link there down this video. Meanwhile, when you use that link to register, I will just make 250 naira. That's about $half or so. As an affiliate, that's not much. If you can do that for me if you want, just to support what I'm doing for you all on my YouTube channel, right? Awesome. So when you click on the sign up button, you basically have to sign up with an email address and a password. So I'm just going to choose an email address I'm going to sign up with right now, and then let's try a couple of stuff, right? Is that okay by you? Awesome. So let's go. So I'm going to type in this email address, and I'm going to choose a password. Awesome. So I have this password here, and I don't want to receive the latest news. I don't want them to fill my inbox with a lot of stuff. So oops, email is already taken, right? So basically I really don't want to create multiple accounts, right? So you just need to click on sign up, and when you do, they'll have to verify your email, which they will send to your Gmail account, and then you complete your registration. It's as simple as that, right? It's very, very easy to use, right? So you can easily walk through it, but just in case you have problem with the signing up process, of course you won't. If you can watch this video, you can sign up there. So if you do, just shoot me a DM on Instagram at Mbajushua C. Then I'll look at what you are doing and then walk you through. But it's literally a very easy to use step to create accounts. As simple as that. So after you've created an account, it's going to ask you a couple of questions like your validation, stuff like your BVN if you're in Nigeria, stuff like your identification, international ID card, or any ID card they can identify you with, depending on the country you are watching this video from. All you just need is to provide it for them. That way they want to authenticate your personality, because this is money transaction, and guard against people coming to hack your accounts and doing other stuff they shouldn't be doing, right? So it's very easy to use. It's very easy to walk through process. So the next thing you want to do is, after you've created your account, is to sign up, which I'm going to show you how it works now. So you just have to input your password, right? Let's go. Your email address, sorry. And when you just put in your email address, they're going to require you to put in your password. And then after that, they're going to send you your PIN. They're going to send you 4-digit PIN to your email account, where you get to complete your login process, right? So right now, I'm going to log in, get my 4-digit PIN, and log into my account. Now, immediately you input your 4-digit PIN, they'll get to open up your account for you. So I'm currently in my account. So this is an account that I want to use for this particular training. So once you log into your account, you just have to locate this exchange, right, for the trading part. Meanwhile, let me walk you through. You have the explore section, where you can really explore news and update about crypto, what is happening in the crypto world. They have awesome up-to-date news. Let's see today's date. There's a post here that was done on 18 December 2020. Okay, so will 2021 be even bigger for Bitcoin? Here are the crypto trends to watch out for next year, and they're giving you information and all of that. So it's awesome. They have a learning section where you can as well learn basic stuff about cryptocurrency, reading how all of this stuff work, all of the whole the blockchain, Bitcoin, everything works, right? So you just have to read through them. It's free. Just read through them. And I think there's a reward system when you read through their content. I think so. I'm not sure again. They used to do that, right? Oh, crypto.com. There's a platform that does that, not this platform. So that's it. So you click on your wallet. So right now you're just going to see only amount of money in this account. So this is wallet right here. Yeah, for this account you're going to see less. The last video I did, I used an account, one of my accounts that had about $500 or more, so to show you guys how to do it. But this one there's no money in this account, obviously, but the goal is to show you how to trade. That's the most important thing I want you to focus on right now. So we have the BTC, which is the Bitcoin, Ethereum, the Ripple, the Bitcoin Cash, the Litecoin, and then Naira. So they have an investment offer now that pays you 4%. So if you invest in Bitcoin, they give you 4% every year. So you might want to read up those documentation. So it's something, if you feel you want to do, you can do. But I'm very certain if you are trading, you might not need that investment so much, because you make more than 4% in your trade. At least if you're a consistent trader, in a day you definitely make more than 4% with your capital, right? So this is basically your wallet to see the money you have in all of your wallets. So currently I just have 39,000 naira in my Ethereum. Meanwhile, this money was less than, I think this money was about 30k before, but because of the spike in Ethereum, it's now 39,000 naira. I really don't look at this account often, so I don't even know what's happening here. Okay, so this is my wallet. So the next thing is the rewards. Let's look at the rewards. This is where you share your affiliate code. I told you I'll make 215 naira if you use my link, the link in the description box, to register, which is just support me. It's not really a lot of money. Then you have your profile where you now do your profile stuff and update your profile and all of those stuff, which is fine, right? So let's go back home. So this is where you get to see the basic chart of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. These are major coins you want to play around with this period. And then you can go back in time, months, 6 months, and even 1 year ago and look at the trend. 1 year ago, Bitcoin was just 3 million naira, but right now is worth 11 million naira. Just imagine if I just had, I don't know, don't say it. Okay, so let's click on the exchange now. So this is the price alert if you want to get alert when the price spikes, right? And create the alert system. So let's go to the exchange, right? So the exchange is where the main trading happens, and that is where our concern is for today's session. I want to show you how you can trade profitably and make cool money, right? So this view, let me see if I can make this full screen for you all to really enjoy the feel. I can't right now. Okay, so let's continue. So this is the trading view of this portfolio analysis coming soon. Tell us, okay, not now. Okay, so this is a trading view of Luno, and at the top here you're going to see BTC and against Naira. If you are in South Africa, you will not be seeing the Naira, you'll be seeing your country currency. If you're outside these African countries, you'll be seeing it in dollars, right? So depending on the country you are trying to trade from. So we have the Bitcoin Cash against BTC, my Bitcoin, and all of those exchanges, right? So this is the trade against each other. So let's say I currently have Ethereum, right? I currently have Ethereum, and if you notice that this is a 24-hour change in their value, right? So Bitcoin over Litecoin in the past 24 hours has done 19.55%, which is amazing. Ethereum against Naira has done 3.35%. Bitcoin has done 4.95%. Bitcoin Cash have done 3.57%, and all of that. So if I click on the all market, you're seeing all of the markets, but I can't trade in all of these markets, right? So we have the one for pounds, right? Great Britain pounds. You have the one for euros. You have the one for AUD, that should be Australian dollar. You have the one for Zimbabwe, for I think this for Uganda and all of those countries, but I can't trade those currencies because I'm not in those countries, right? So this is basically all the possible market trading opportunities I have on this platform right now. Excuse me, guys. So if you want to trade any of these ones, depending on your country, you can trade them, but I can't trade BTC against Zimbabwe because you're not verified for trading. You can see this here, right? So I'm just going to focus on these ones that are available for me. So since I have Ethereum, and let's try Ethereum and BTC. Let's see how so Ethereum is dropping against BTC. Is there Ethereum and Litecoin? There's no Ethereum and Litecoin. So let's just try a couple of stuff. Let me try to swap my Ethereum to Litecoin. Is that okay? Okay, let's try it. So I'll go to Ethereum, NNG. I'll swap it to Naira first, then I'll buy Litecoin since there's no direct exchange for Ethereum and Litecoin. Okay, let's just do that just for a test purpose, right? Awesome. So this is my Ethereum and Naira view, and let's say currently now the value of Ethereum is 294,000, and I have about let's check the max. I can't buy, I can only sell. I have 0.133333514 Ethereum. So the only thing I can do is to sell. So let's say I want to sell my Ethereum right now and sell all of it, max, sell all of my Ethereum, and I'm going to sell it at the value of 295. So the current price is at 295, 294,999, and I don't want to pay any fee for it. So I'll just sell at the 295 for it. If you notice, it has a 0% fee. If you want to learn more about the 0% fee, you might want to check out my previous video on Luno, how I bought 250k Bitcoin without trading fee. You might want to check it. Awesome video. You'll learn how I do that and learn how to do it as well, so that you won't, there's a value I will put in now and I will have to pay percentage fee for me to trade, but now it's 0% fee, so I'm going to trade without any fee, right? So we can do more of the analytics. I will be showing you more about this trading view very soon. So if I click on the sell button, I've sold my Ethereum. If I click on the market, if I click on this currently sell option is in the limit. Let me explain this to you. The limit means you want to buy or sell at a particular price that is not the market price. All right. So you get to place your order, your trade order, on a price that is not currently in the market price. I mean, not the market price. That means that's not the value as at that time. Okay. So unless otherwise, but it doesn't mean you can't buy at the exact market price then. But this is where you just set it. But if I click on market, that means it's going to sell my BTC, sorry, my Ethereum at the current market price, which is what 295,000. I think here it's still at 294,999. So, and of course, it will charge me 0.1% trading fee. You can see it. So I'll lose some coins on fees. So if I use the stop limit is I want to place order at a particular range. I want to say when the value of Ethereum gets to 295,000, sell. But if it gets to, when it gets to 294, hold on guys, sorry, when it gets to 2, what's going on? Sorry about that. I'm typing. What's happening? Okay guys, just a sec. When it gets to, can't type. Okay, when it gets to 0, no, let's not do 0. Let's do when it gets to, what value should we use? When it gets to 295, 94900. So we're saying when it gets to 294,900, which already is beyond that anyway. Let's just say that's where we want it. Once to get to this amount, please trigger a sell order at 29500. So we are saying that if the value is 294,000, which is somewhere here, somewhere there, yeah, trigger a sell order on 29500. I can decide to set this at 29600. When it gets to this amount, place this order for me. So the order will not execute until it gets to this point. When it gets to this price, it triggers a sell order at this amount. And once Ethereum touches this amount, I will sell immediately. So that's the stop limit option. I'll be teaching you more about this in the Binance trading later on. So you need to subscribe if you've not subscribed. So let's quickly sell our Ethereum. Want to just sell off our Ethereum. Let's sell off our Ethereum. Want to do it at 295. So 295, and we will sell our Ethereum. Should we sell? Let's sell it. Max it. If you click on the max, it will sell everything for you. If you want to sell part of it, you can reduce the amount you want to sell. If you want to impute what you say in Naira, you can turn it to Naira and it will sell it for you in Naira. Alright, so I'll just do max. That's it. And I will click on the sell button and place my order. So my order has been executed. This is the order opening here, right? So it will not be complete until it's filled. It will not be complete until it's filled. So you can look at my order here. Look at my order, sell order here. This one that has this dot here, that is me. So I'll wait for it to get filled. When it gets filled, then my order will execute. Right now, let's increase this. Let's reduce this. Okay, awesome. So while we are waiting for that to execute and we continue, I'm going to walk you through this trading view. And then one of the ways to do that properly is for me to increase it. So I've increased the view. So let me teach you a little bit about how to trade with these charts. Initially when I see this chart years back, I actually get confused. I'll be like, how does this stuff really work? And it's usually scary, but right now it's not scary to me, right? So this is the current movement of the Ethereum value against Naira. So whenever you see a candlestick, it's a trading time. Like right now, I think we are at how many? Let me check again. Hold on. This is a 1 hour trading view. So let's do 30 minutes. It's not bad. I'll make it full screen again. So this is a 30 minutes trading view, and basically I'm going to walk you through how it works. So I'll zoom in a little bit so we can really see this view properly. So anytime you see a candlestick like this, it means that this is a trading period, and now it's 30 minutes trading period. So within 30 minutes at that time, it was the movement of Ethereum against Naira. That means that it started here. It started at 292 and it dropped to, it touched 286 briefly. When you see the small line, it means that it just like fast. It touched it and came up again. But if you spend time on it, it will be like a full bar candlestick. So he dropped and touched 286. Yeah, 286,000 naira. And right here, that means that it moved downwards, right? Awesome. So right here means that if it's green color, that means it went up, it didn't come down. So here that is green, we have a green candlestick. It means that the price started from somewhere here, it briefly stayed there and quickly jumped back to this place, which is 287,000 naira, and ended up touching 289,000 naira, right? And then came back here, it dropped again, it went up again, touched here, stayed here again and dropped again, came back here again and went up and all of that. So whenever you see a green candlestick, it means that the price started from down and went up. When you see a red candlestick, it means the price started from top and came down. Basically, that's how it is. So if you see all of these charts, when you see the green one and the red one, that is the movement, the upward and downward movement in your trading view, right? So if you understand this, it's the fundamental, it's the base of just understanding the concept of what's really happening here. Okay, the price went up, the price came down, and the price did not do this and all of that. So, but in trading, we have the technical and fundamental analysis that helps us in trading, which I'll be telling you about very soon, right? I'll be telling you in another video in my channel. So you want to click on the subscribe button, notification bell to get notified when I'll be teaching you this. So the fundamental and technical analysis helps you to know when to buy and when not to buy, unless you are trying to do a long-term investment. Let's say now I bought this Ethereum, I kept it here because I just wanted to stay there. Long-term investment, no really serious amount of money anywhere. So if you are like that, then you really don't have problem in interpreting the market, and you just buy and leave it and go and chill. Maybe 2-3 years you come and pull out your money if that's you. But aside that, if you really want to be trading, like daily trading, weekly trading often, put money and when it goes up you sell, then you need to understand fundamental and technical analysis, which I'll be teaching you in another video. So make sure you subscribe. So this is basically how this candlestick work. So I'm going to show you again. You can use candlestick, you can use bars to show this, right? You can use where's that stuff? You can use lines to show the movement, right? You can use stuff like this, right? Show the movement. Okay, so all these ones is your choice, anyone you prefer, but each of them has an advantage for you to really go in depth to understanding the movement of those what's the name again? The movement of the price or the value of whatever exchange you're trading, right? So basically that is it, right? Awesome. So write a comment in the comment section and let me know if you have any question or if this stuff is of value to you. I want to know in the comment section, right? So this is basically how this trading view works, and this is how to buy and sell your Ethereum. So if you have Naira and you want to buy Bitcoin, all you need to do is to come to BTC Naira, right? You can see that. Click on it and then buy your Naira. I want to buy BTC, not sell. Click on the buy order, limit market. I want to buy it. If you want to buy immediately, I want to buy immediately with the market value, and I'll max it and buy. I don't have any naira now, and it places order for you here. But most times when the chart is like this, I will always encourage you not to buy in when the chart is like this. This is not a financial advice, just my own opinion, right? When the value is like this, don't buy. Wait for it to drop. If you notice that when every upward movement always has a, what's the right word? A proportional downward movement. Okay. Pardon me for that. So every upward movement has proportional downward movement. Anytime you see the coin go up, at the point it will come down. Go up, point. So there are parameters that affect this anyway. But sometimes it will go up and just come down a little bit and then stay. Right? But most of the time, if it goes up, it will definitely come down. Like law of gravity, whatever goes up, surely come down. So technically look at this. Came up here, dumped here, came up, dropped. Not really dumped, like just dropped a little bit. So when it dumped, it didn't really dump that much. Okay. So what now that is at this peak, we might expect a correction somewhere in 11.4 million naira, somewhere here. My guess might get to 11.5 million naira correction point here, maybe. But it might drop down to where it might get up to 11.2 if it drops low. But I don't think it really dropped that much this period. I can't really say, man. But it might get down to 11.45 for correction. So you might wait for it to just drop a little bit, then you invest. Because this is the peak. This is the highest that has been in history. So you don't want to buy at that value. You have to chill. So if you are going to place a buy order, you might want to place in 11.5, or you might want to place in 11.4, maybe come down to 11.2 something and place your buy order, so that when the value drops you buy then, and when it goes up again, gain massively. So that is the thought process of trade. I'm going to teach you all those technical things later on. So in this section, you have to click on the market to see market coins, click on orders to see the orders you've placed, and our what? Let's click on an open order. We have an open order. Okay. The order have not executed, right? So remember we sold this earlier on, but it has not executed because the price has not gotten to 29500. I can't say right now. So once the price gets to 295, then it begins to fill up our order. So we have 0 filled. Order history is what we've purchased before. The time put 184 of Ethereum. Okay, that's the coin. I bought it at 184. Which was at 184. Now I'm selling at, what am I selling at? 295. Just imagine if I bought whatever I bought there, whatever, it's gone. All right, so that's one thing about trading. So you have to guide your emotions. Don't really want to work. I wish I bought 5 million of this coin last 6 months. It's not late, right? So there are great opportunities ahead. So don't really dwell in those things. So if you are in the market, you missed a particular, they call it FOMO, fear of missing out, because you don't want to miss out again next time. You now pump 1 million naira into a coin and it doesn't do well and start crying and all of that. So you have to check out some stuff, you have to do some analysis, which is technical and fundamental analysis that will help you do the right prediction, which I'll be teaching very soon on this channel. So you can just check your previous purchase order. This is my order is in the past 30 days, and that's that, right? So let's go back to the insights. So you get to see your crypto insights on just basic informations about your trading experience thus far, and about crypto generally, that will help inform you on what to do and what not to do. That's competition that is held, and all of those analysis might just come here to read up this stuff for you. So if you are new to trading, it's what we call the bullish and the bearish. The bullish is when the coin is gaining more value, when it's going up. The bearish is when it's going down, right? When it's losing value. So if the coin is getting value, it's bullish. If it's not getting value, it's bearish. If it's dropping, so the red warning is going down, then the green is going up, bullish and bearish. So those words shouldn't be new to you again, just in case it was. So let's go back to the trade view. So our order has not executed, so there's no way I can buy on that coin right now. And I just wanted to sell at 2.5. I don't know why I'm just so after that. So when it executes, then I can buy on that coin. So it's the same process it takes. Very simple process, easy to use. But the question is, will you have the right signal to buy? But most times what I do on my Luno is I buy for long term. right? I buy and keep and leave it and go and do all that stuff. I trade most of the time on my Binance, like day-to-day trading, because I have variety of coins, which I'll be showing later on my channel to trade with. All right, so this is exactly how you can buy and trade and make money. Buy when it's low and sell when it's high. Buy when it's low and sell when it's high. So let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed it and if you need me to do any kind of video around this Luno platform. I'll be so willing to do that for you all. All right, thank you very much and see you in my next crypto video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and join the big family. Feel free to send me a message on Instagram and I'll always reply you right there.